Lagi ako nanonood ng vlog ni Snow eh.
Ano yung nanonood?
Nakapalo ako dun eh.
Paano ba kayo?
Palo kami. Yung namarinig si Snow na pala tuloy sa inyo.
Alright, sige po.
Yung sa may pera.
Habang kumakain po tayo, may mga aliw sa ating apat na kids. Asan
Ay, hindi
sila?
pa nag-uumpisa yung ano?
Apat ba sila? O isa lang. Apat daw. Apat sila, tapos may mananalo daw sa pinaka-best na magaling sumayaw. Ayan, dahil
Ayan,
trending
wala
daw
akong
yung
dala.
apat sila. Ayan. O baka may gustong magdagdag ng pamasko nila. Pwedeng mag-abot. Doon sa mananalo. Or kahit doon sa hindi, okay na tag-20. Pasko naman para sa mga bata. Okay, sige. Ano ito, isa-isa? Tapos lahat na ganon. Okay. Ano ito, buong kanta? Sige,
Inantay mo talaga si Snow.
contest, ganon. Person ng apat. So, sige. Ano pangalan mo, little girl? What's your name?
And I'm 5 years old and my favorite food is chocolate with strawberry.
Ay. It's Snow ba, baby? Your name is Snow? Yes. Antaray, hindi na pwedeng, wag na natin ipapanalo. Nagmamaldita na agad eh. Ay. Char, joke lang. Joke lang, baby. Are you ready? Oh, ano daw, a full dance of apatu. Alright? Oh, wala ba yung mga kamay? Alright, here we go.
Ay, apat mo ba?
Game start.
Wala bang palakpakan dyan?
Kissy face, sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real.
Kumakanta pa kunyari.
That's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Say tomorrow, but tonight go crazy.
Yes.
All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Galing naman ni Baby Snow. Let's go!
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Hey, so now you know the game. Are you ready? 'Cause I'm coming to get you. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Just meet me
Alright, palapakan naman natin si Baby Snow. Okay. Yan ang ating contestant number 1. Ang
Hey, boom.